So I have a question, and if we're making videos to put on Facebook or whatever, we don't afford, we can't, I don't know about everybody, but I can't afford a videography. So I'm not finishing mine. So
No,
I don't,
no, no. Okay, so let's back it up. Okay, so the dog barks. Oh well, you decide, did it take away from your video or did it help your video? And then you go ahead and post it or you don't.
okay, gotcha.
Okay,
Okay.
all right. So remember that. Like sometimes I don't have a dog. If it's one little dog bark, I don't have it cut out because it does cost money to
But
do.
there's other ways that you can do editing through
Yes,
Canva,
there's
chopping,
programs out there
right? There's,
to do it
yeah,
yourself.
yeah, there are things that you can do it. Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah,
But again, these $10 and $12 adds up.
if it
If it
does,
doesn't make a big difference,
then
go
don't do
with
it.
it. We're human. People like to like you, know you, trust you. So, but you know what? If Tamara's granddaughter walks in, for example, having a temper tantrum, that might be,
She does that quite often.
you know, things happen in life. But your videos that you are going to post, don't make them public till you put your description on there, your title on there, and then make them public.